Yeah, I'm getting on video. Sawzall's going under the car at Barkhamsted.
If I can get this fucking thing down there. Watch me cut a fucking line.
Fuel line?
Yeah.
What do you think of the shenanigans?
I don't even have an opinion anymore, like anything to say, more or less, dude. It's shit. Nothing surprises me anymore, I can say that.
Yep. If I have a car jack, I'm not getting that right now. Oh, you got the flip around screen. That's
Yeah.
I don't have that shit.
LCD screen.
Yo.
Yo.
Keep vlogging me, I'm gonna vlog you.
I'll vlog the shit out of you.
Go!
You know, to the average
If I have a
guy-
jack, I'm not getting it because the subs are on it.
See, the average guy will look like dumb fucks right now.
So.
I don't care. I love it. I love the unwanted attention.
Yeah, hop a curb with the front wheel.
Oh man. This one looks the shortest. No, not yet. Keep coming. You'll clear it. All right, like right there.
Well, let's get a quick flex going.
Quick flex, yep.
Can't tell how close I am.
It's cutting through?
Yeah. It looks like should be pretty close.
Yeah, you're pretty close, I think. Oh yeah, you're almost there. Oh.
Right there.
Damn.
That's it. The rattle's fixed.
No more rattle. That's the whole rattle.
Rattle free.
I guess it pays to have a Sawzall in your trunk.
You know, dude, especially with German cars, bro.
This piece gets mounted on the side and both pipes fall in here with another piece that goes up right there.
Oh, so it was just like clanking right here.
Yeah, because I didn't have the other piece.
Yeah.
So it just kept smacking us.
Easy fix.
Oh yeah. It's pretty fucked up cut though.
Dude,
Look at the first one I was doing. That shit was straight as a line.
Damn.
Look at that.
Precision.
And then I fucked up.
It's all good. Precision. What's
When did that guy pull up in front of me?
been doing over there? Look at his face. He turns around and goes like this. He goes.
You're good, you're gonna clear it. You didn't know you had two steps? This guy's going off over here.
Is that him busting out?
Yeah,
the lyrics?
Busting out tunes. One wheel peel.
The Roger and the Dodge Ram.
Is that a little black line right there?
Yeah, the further one. Bet. Oh.
Brian, do you want to do it or?
Oh, you got it.
I'll take it on my own.
Did you just cop his car?
I don't know, you must have. You just get it?
It's for his dating profile.
Oh, shit.
I had this girly girl Forester. What? I have a
Yeah.
Forester too. This mag. It's like a, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So wait, like something like getting out, or
If you want to do one like that, and then when you hop
on the
out,
hood, just like standing there.
yeah, when you hop out,
Yeah.
you know, shut the door and lean like right on the fender.
Okay, take a couple. Yeah, appreciate it, guys.
Yeah, of course. Always willing to help out.
My boss said this is gonna be the I don't know what he called it.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Dude, with this car, you're getting
3, 2, 1.
anybody you
Shoot
want.
a man.
Of course, guys.
Of course I got.
You know, it's hard when you're my age, guys. So years ago, it's been a clusterfuck ever since. You know, what I mean? Picking up this at an airport, this and that.
Yeah.
So come on, man.
Going from like the outskirts of another state.
Yeah, and then I just quit. I'm trying to quit smoking to pay for this because it wasn't that bad. But anyway, I mean, the smoking, women are like, you smoke, and I like to, and I'm like,
You can't change.
yeah, I'm a '60s child, man. I mean, since they opened, legal marijuana there, it's like Dunkin' Donuts, man.
Yeah.
Last time I went, I flew home with I stopped by the airport. True story. I said, "What do you got for Ace?" He says, "Oh, I got these on sale, $10 each." I bought 30 of them. Flew home right out of the airport.
Jeez. Oh, yeah, they let you fly with them there. You
Well,
fly
I don't
out?
know. I mean, they didn't check my luggage, so I mean, I would imagine it's legal. I mean,
Yeah.
what are they gonna do? Bust you? I mean,
Yeah.
nice rides, guys.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Yeah, you too.
Well, man, good luck.
Yeah, thanks. Life, you never know what you get, man. Every day's a journey.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
And all you get is today.
Yeah.
There you go.
Tomorrow's not promised.
Have a good one.
That shit just farted at me? What the hell? Shush. Sheesh.
I wonder what that was at one point.
Right here? Probably a bigger pull-off area.
Oh, yeah, right?
Like a whole parking spot.
Some of these almost get dirty.
Yeah.